Hello, children. This week, our sight words are them. Them. He waves at them. He waves at them. He waves at them. Them. Our next sight word is what. What? What are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing? What? Our next sight word is day. Day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Day. Our final sight word is each. Each. They each have some balloons. They each have some balloons. They each have some balloons. Each. These are all our sight words for this week. Why don't you see if you can make sentences of your own using these words? Have fun and have a great week.